Hi my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. Excuse the tired face, it is really early and obviously I've been up a few times during the night and I feel absolutely shattered right now, but I'm going to get some makeup on and look alive in a minute. I did a vlog at the beginning of January and I thought why not end the month on a vlog as well, plus I haven't really had any time to film anything and I just thought I'd take you guys along with me and this will be a good way of getting some content. So today is Friday, I'm off to London, I've got a few events, I'll take you guys along. So you guys can see what that's like, what I get up to and how I do it with a baby. It's really weird though when I was thinking about it, because on the 1st of January I did a vlog and after you have a baby, in my culture for 40 days a woman is supposed to rest. Like she's not supposed to leave the house, she's supposed to have somebody come and like cook for her and help her with the kids and give her a massage every day. And like I didn't have all of that, but I did rest, and like my mum and Fazan's mum like came around and like cooked and they helped look after Noah and things like that. It would have been nice to have a massage every day, but you can't have everything, can you? So yeah, like when I did that vlog at the beginning of the month, I was like really rested. I was actually quite bored. I was like, can't wait to get back into work and get back into London. And now a month later, honestly, I'm so shattered. Like you could probably tell I'm absolutely drained. And I kind of want another 40 days off. I think it would be quite nice. Huh? Yeah. I think it would be quite nice. But the next few weeks are really busy, so I don't think that's going to happen for a while. But yeah, if you guys like this vlog, then make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of things you want to see in my vlogs in the future as well, and then I bear that in mind. Like today's vlog was supposed to be with my sister. I was going to meet her at uni. It's Friday, so they've got like a praying facility there, so I was just going to go pray at her uni, and then we were going to go to an event together, but she's just messaged me saying she's not going into London today. She's not going to uni because she's not feeling well. But I do want to start doing some more vlogs with Mariam because she wants to do them. Hannah doesn't. Hannah's like, no, don't want to be in any videos. But I think Mariam does. So if you guys want to see, let me know what kind of videos you want to see with me and Mariam in them below. And we'll film them. But also what you want to see in my vlogs. But yeah, I'm going to get ready now and then get the boys ready and leave the house. So I'll chat to you guys in a bit. What I'm having for breakfast, just because it takes 2 minutes to make. I am going to a breakfast event, so I will have breakfast when I get there. But A, I don't know what it's going to be, whether it's going to fill me up. And B, that's not until like 10:30. And yeah, I'm kind of hungry right now. So we need to leave the house because I'm going to miss my train. I was just going to grab this because he wants to open it. You can't play with that. You can't play with that. I know it's yours. It was one of his birthday presents, but honestly, he's had so many. He's like opened all of them. And you don't play with them. You play with them for 5 minutes, then you want the next one. That's being spoiled. This one's going to stay closed, but they're okay. And no matter how early I wake up, I just always tend to be late. Like literally rushing the train again today. I keep looking here instead of there and the camera is there. I just remember to do this one. The weather today is miserable. I feel like it's spitting right now. It's probably going to start raining. I've got this super warm coat. I'll link it. It's from Odonisa. It's just like a teddy coat. I have like these in 3 colours because they're so warm, especially when it's freezing like this. Guys, I feel so bad at the moment because I literally just left the car. And every time I get out the car, when I'm coming into London, obviously I take Yahya with me. And I could just see it in Noah's eyes that he's like, in his head he's thinking, why do you take him but not me? Obviously I can't take Noah because it's work and Noah's like 2 and he doesn't stay one place and he's an absolute nightmare and has a tantrum over everything. And obviously I'm not breastfeeding him, and the whole reason I take Yahya is because I'm still breastfeeding him. I just feel so bad. I know he can't like articulate it and say it to me. I could just see it in his eyes. I did try and spend time with him yesterday. Yesterday, me and him, just the 2 of us, went to soft play, and then we went out to eat, and it was really nice. But I think he's forgotten that already, and he's like, this morning again, he was looking at me like, leaving me. Doing this morning. Well, I've got 3 events today, and then the first one is a breakfast event with Guerlain, so I'm just going to head over to Selfridges now where they're holding the event just to see what it's about. I think it's a new product launch, I'm not entirely sure, but I thought it started at 10:30 and it's 10:20 at the moment. and I've just looked at the invite. I'm under a bridge, that's why it's gone so dark. I've just looked at the invite and it started at 10 o'clock, so yeah, I'm a little bit late. When you have a baby, everything takes a million times longer. There are stairs, but now I'm having to wait for this lift. Can you see how slow it is? Look at this lift in Selfridges. It's supposed to be like yellow and all happy. I have no idea where I'm going, by the way. I'm going up to the 3rd floor because I think that's where it is, but I asked about 5 people and no one knows where the restaurant is. As you guys know, I use this foundation. I've used it in loads of my YouTube videos and on Instagram, and I bloody love it. So I'm excited to see what this is going to be like, because I don't normally use a primer, but this actually acts as a skincare as well. So over, I think it's like 28 days, if you use it daily, you'll notice an improvement in the texture of your skin. So yeah, let's see what it's all about. My next event is like a 10-minute walk away, and I walk past Zara, so of course I had to come in, and Yoko's asleep, so I'm thinking I might do a bit of shopping. It's the only like alone time I get. You guys know how much I love pearls. So I bought a couple of things from Zara. They had some really nice stuff in there, but I have to make sure that everything I'm wearing at the moment I can feed Yoko in. So like anything that is quite short and I can pull up is fine, and anything that's got buttons is fine. But dresses without buttons I'm not wearing at the moment. So they had some really nice ones and I just had to kind of leave them because I was like, there's no point. So I'm walking to the event now. Hopefully I won't get distracted by any other shops on the way. There is another shop on Oxford Street called Reserved, and they have really nice clothes and they're always super cheap. So I'm tempted to pop in there, but I know I shouldn't because I'm running late already. So I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's very loud in here, but Cult Beauty are doing a pop-up this weekend for a new brand hair stocking called the Glow Marche, I think it's called. Hello, how are you? My own little gift made and protects the trying to do a million things at once. I really wanted some sweets, but I don't know what's halal, so just gonna be safe and stick with a drink. So this is a Korean skincare brand, and as you guys know, the Koreans and the Japanese and the Far East Asians just have amazing skincare products. This is new at Cult Beauty, it's exclusive to Cult Beauty. They've given me a few products to try out, so I will let you guys know when I get around to trying them what I think of them. But if you guys want to come in, like go downstairs, help yourself to sweets, get a few pics for Instagram, and then come up here and check out the products. It is open all weekend, so you guys can do that. So my final event for the day is the press event for the launch of Ted Baker Beauty, which I think launched a few days ago. I'm not actually entirely sure. But I'm excited to go check it out because I've tried their nail varnishes before and they're really nice. I want to know what else is in the collection, so I'll show you guys when I get there what they've got. But yeah, just making my way there now. So yeah, is still asleep, so I'm gonna quickly have a look around. I will film all the products so you guys can see exactly what they've got. As soon as I walked in, I was like, oh my god, they've actually got so much and it all looks amazing. As you guys can see, because it wasn't focusing when I was holding it too close, but look how pretty the print on the lipstick is. Do you want to show the little pop thing? Because she was so excited. It is pretty cool. This is what you can do. I'll do it again. They pop out! Yeah! He is 9 weeks. No, don't Oh, the pigment on that is so nice.
Blush in 3 tones and 2 bronzers in two different.
So pretty. So this is open to the public this weekend again, so it's another cool event for you guys to come to. They do have an upstairs section which I'm going to film really quickly because I was going to say Noah, because Yeki is downstairs with Millie and I'm really scared that it's going to start pouring, so I will show you guys what's up here really quickly. Done for the day for my event. I'm gonna go and get something to eat now, feed here, change him, and then go back to Paddington and get a train home. I might carry on vlogging when I get home actually, just to show you guys what I get up to, because I've got a few friends coming over, so I'm gonna make something for dinner as well. I don't really know what, and I probably shouldn't be crossing the road whilst I'm vlogging. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a sec. So I'm gonna make spaghetti bolognese for dinner, and I thought I'll include that in the vlog. Everyone loves like cooking videos on YouTube, and I literally don't know how to cook. I just throw things together, and this is like the one thing, not the one thing, but this is one of the things that I do know how to make. So I thought I'd share it with you guys in this vlog. I'm probably not gonna get in anymore because I wanna get changed. I wanna take my scarf off and get changed to something a bit more comfy that I don't mind getting the onion smell on. So yeah, I will show you guys how to make dinner, and I think that's going to be the end of the vlog. So if you like it, then make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all soon. Oh, you want to read a book? Okay, we can read a book. So whilst the sauce was on simmer, I came into Noah's room and gave it a quick tidy up because he was playing in the living room. As soon as I finished tidying up, of course he wants to come in and play. I think the food's going to be done in a bit. I'm not going to do the spaghetti yet. Want to read this one? I'm not going to do the spaghetti yet because our friends aren't coming until... Oh, oopsie daisy, sorry. Aren't coming until a little bit later, and I just don't want it to get cold, so I'll do it when they get here and serve it. I'm going to play with Noah for a bit because he wants to read. Is this what you want to read? And then I might have a bit of a tidy up if I have time because for example, you're here. What are you reading? What are you reading? The Peppa Pig. This bloody pig is taking over my life. Honestly, everything is Peppa Pig. We have a little drawer down here. That is just... This isn't any of it. None of this is stuff that I've bought him. This was all birthday presents. Like everybody just got him all Peppa Pig stuff. This is a little... He loves this. He's lost little characters to it. This is a little Peppa Pig ice cream man. And he gets so excited when he sees the ice cream. Oh, Peppa Pig airplane. Yay. Oh, that's the one that you ripped. He's got a lift the flap one and he's ripped most of the flaps out. Yeah, that was naughty, wasn't it? Are you a little businessman on your car and on your phone?
95. 95.
Read this one. Yeah. No? You gonna put it back? Good boy. Of course he wants a Peppa Pig one. You ripped this one, but Dad. You ripped this one. You ripped all the flaps out. Don't rip it. Don't rip it. Let me read it to you. Yeah? No. No. Should we read it? Yeah, let's read it. Come on. Up and down.